just follow this edge on the round. You just want to follow your edge around. Alright, you want to just follow the edge around. Okay. Turn around. Right, let's get this back into the middle. Okay. All right. Almost we're done. Turn this down just a tad. Get this wet. Okay. Okay. I think this Velcro is getting a little wore out. You see this pad's rather used. Okay. All right, let's get this wiped off. Okay, let's take a look at this edge. All right. Bam, let's see if we can't get a better angle on it. Okay, there we go. It'll look better once it's in place. you'll be able to really appreciate this bullnose. There you go. There you can see that's a better angle. Okay. Right there. Okay, there it is. There's your roundover, folks. There's your bull-nosed shelf. Let's go put it in. Let's go set this in place so we can see what she's going to look like. Okay, here's the shelf. All right. There we go. That's going to be how it looks. Now with the subway tile in the back and on the sides, and have the other shelf on the bottom and the backsplash in. That's really gonna look nice with that radiused nose on the shelf. Radius shelf. This has been a long video. I've tried to incorporate as many details into this as possible. There's a lot going on. I'm going to have to do a brief video showing you how I get the radius. I didn't show that part. You can use an extension cord. You can cut, 3/16 or an 1/8 inch piece of wood, sliver out of a 2x4 or something, and then use that to bend. But I'll show you that process in another video. So subscribe if you haven't. Comment, share, put in a playlist. Make a comment. Okay, now there's your radius shelf in place. Alright, you see how it's going to set. Okay, it's going to come across and meet. Going to cross and meet. Alright, this is going to have subway tile, the backsplash for this pedestal sink. Alright. Okay, subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the polishing of the bullnose. Bye for now, and never give up, because there's always a way, always.